Start by making the dough for the samosas. In a large mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Slowly add the water to the mixture and knead until you have a smooth dough. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. In a small skillet, toast the cumin seeds and coriander seeds over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Grind the toasted spices in a spice grinder. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the diced onion and minced garlic and sauté until the onion is translucent, about 5 minutes. Add the ground beef or lamb to the skillet and cook until brown. Add the ground toasted spices, turmeric, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, ground cardamom, and cayenne pepper to the skillet. Stir to combine. Cook the mixture for 5 to 7 minutes until the spices are fragrant and the meat is cooked through. Season with salt to taste. Preheat the oil for frying in a deep fryer or heavy bottom pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll out the dough into small circles about 4 inches in diameter. Cut each circle in half. Take 1/2 circle of dough and shape it into a cone. Fill the cone with about 1 tablespoon of the meat mixture. Wet the edges of the dough with a little water and pinch the edges together to seal the samosa. Repeat with the remaining dough and filling. Fry the samosas in batches until they are golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per batch. Serve the samosas hot with your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy your delicious homemade samosas.